Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change email address on Netflix account on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First, go ahead and open Netflix application on your device. And then here you can select your profile. And then to change your email address on your Netflix account, you can click on My Netflix at the bottom. And then press 3 line at the top right corner. Again, then here please select account. Okay, and then you can change your email address by tapping this option. And then here you can enter the verification code which will be sent to your current email address. After that here you can enter your new email address. And then click here to approve. Okay, and then the email address on your Netflix account is successfully changed. Thank you.